So hello everyone. I am Trisha Anar Angeles from BTBTED 3F, major in Food and Services Management. So I am here to or I made this video to share my dining experience at SM Marikina Vikings. So first is I discovered or learned the different foods that I'm not really familiar. And I also enjoyed and satisfied on that day because of their beautiful place, ambience, and the welcoming attitude of their staff. So next is I gained some knowledge about the different foods and cuisine that they offer, from the preparation and serving of it. I really appreciate the beauty of their place, the dish, and also the taste of um, every countries na or every particular dish in that country. And yung last is I may apply this to my future job or having a or build a business someday. At this experience, I gain knowledge and explore the different foods by simply taste it in a one-day dining experience. I also be or has a familiarization on the name and also the different dish if may I travel or visit in their specific country.